Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 30 plus free Udemy courses with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also press on bell notification and switch to all where so you can get notification when I upload the video. And also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I have given you 35 plus paid Udemy courses with free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The first course is the complete Android Kotlin developer course. In this course, you will learn how to build 70 online games and apps for Android Q like Pokemon, Twitter, Tic-Tac-Toe, and Notepad using Kotlin. This course is 27-hour on-demand video, 4 article, full lifetime access, access of mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Build to Do List with React, Express and MongoDB 2021. In this course, you will learn React fundamental, React with hook, how to create RESTful APIs, how to integrate Express with MongoDB, how to integrate React with Express. This course is 4-hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, access of mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Masterclass React plus TypeScript 2021 Web Development. In this course, you will learn to code React way, learn JavaScript, advanced concepts necessary to complete, understand how React works, learn all the functionality that React JS offers, and become a subject matter expert, complete understanding with React hooks, React DOM, React router, Redux server-side rendering, and a lot more. Fully script code using React JS for maintainable, robust, and future-proof application. Best practicing in code. Creating an e-commerce software from scratch. We will not use any UI library in the course. Instead, we will teach how to create reusable component so you can create your own UI library. Experiencing the best teacher in course, you will experience a lot. That's a guarantee. This course is 21-hour on-demand videos, 8 articles, 73 downloadable service, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Mastering Microsoft Power BI, Desktop and Servers. In this course, you will understand Power BI concepts like Microsoft Power BI, Desktop Layout, BI Report, Dashboard, and Power BI Dex commands and functions. Create compelling reports and visualization, derive real-time instant and deploy in on demand. Create, share, collaborate, and benefit from the business information with purpose-built dashboard. Form relationship in a data model and learn data visualization best practice. This course is 7.5 on-demand video, 3 articles, 9 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile TV, and certification completion. The next course is The Future of Digital Marketing, Tips for 2021 and Beyond. In this course, you will learn a comprehensive guide to digital marketing that covers Quora, Reddit, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. This course is 1.5-hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next is Certified Information System Security Professional CISSP. This course includes 5 practice tests, full lifetime access on mobile. The next is AZ900 mock test. This course is 3 practice tests, full lifetime access on mobile. The next course is the complete Microsoft Outlook Masterclass, Mastering Outlook. This course is 4-hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is the Basic of Cybersecurity 2020. In this course, you will understand the main topic in cybersecurity, understand the common source of cybersecurity event, protecting yourself from cybersecurity threats, the highest cybersecurity threats of institute, data protection and privacy, basic knowledge of cyber risk management, introduction to cryptography, understanding business continuity planning, and disaster recovery. This course is 1-hour on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Viral Marketing Masterclass 2021 Virality Edition. In this course, you will be aware of viral marketing strategy in digital marketing for 2021. Learn how to reach out mass audience through basic and advanced digital marketing strategy and channel. Know how one can grow any business to sales inquiry in real time, automate the process of code through a power of artificial intelligence, know how to attract and return website visitor through a viral marketing growth hack, get to know about information on anonymous website visitor, be aware of tricks and reach out of them, get to know about the bulletproof SMTP server to get send mass emails, learn how to automate webinars and make them to run on website on complete autopilot, create a free radio channel to promote your brand 24 into 7 and embed it into your website. These courses, one on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access, access on mobility and certification commission. The next course is AI Tools for Job Seeker 2021. In this course, you will get to know about incredible theory of the step-by-step resume process that will be useful when you train your candidate. Write a resume using traditional and practice method using MS Word, templates online, learn super easy process of job search that your candidate can leverage today using LinkedIn social network, create a job ready resume in minutes using AI tools that features customization capability, know about your ultimate site to creating videos resume that prove you vital, get know more about job matching and job search engine sites powered by AI technology, learn about biggest challenge faced by job seeker in today's world. This course is one on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access, access mobility, and certification commission. The next course is the complete Microsoft Teams course, Master Microsoft Teams. In this course, you will learn Microsoft MS 700, MS Office 365, SharePoint, Microsoft OneDrive. This course you will learn on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is TikTok Masterclass, Build Your Business with TikTok. This course will do our on-demand video, 22 downloadable lessons, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is AI in Web Design Certificate 2021. In this course, you will build and design land paging with implemented AI technology in 2021. Create a chat box of site fastest time possible using AI cloud-based tool. Make a Apple TV with no coding and learn website portal used to create same with AI. Learn self-updating website that can update it with new content automatically all through the day. This course will 3 hour on-demand video, 3 article, full lifetime access, extra mobility and certificate completion. The next course is anyone can design graphic design certification. In this course, you will create breathtaking and wow-inspiring graphic posts for social media using graphic templates to speed up your process and researching the same for any social media network. Knowing a tool software that can be used for creating amazing graphic, come up with thousands of ideas for social media graphic in Flash, learn schedule post on Facebook, Twitter, and popular platform in one go. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Competitor Analysis Masterclass 2021 edition. Understand technology that your competitors are used to help conduct and execute research. Find the growth area existing in market of take your business forward success in 2021. Analyze your competitor website traffic and targeted audience to leverage your better marketing result. Analysis your competitor keywords to help organic SEO. Track your competitor brand mentioned in real time. Know about advertised campaign of competitor and avoid their mistake. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, assignment and certificate completion. Next course is Gmail Basic. In this course, you will learn everything you know about. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know about Gmail in 2019. This course is one on-demand video, two article, one downloadable series, full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV, and certification commission. The next course is ebook marketing course for authors 2021 edition. In this course, you will learn AI tools to create real-life voice turn into an ebook into audio. Get know about amazing tool that will help to create marketing for an ebook. Get know about incredible tool you can find profitable niche topics on Amazon on your next ebook launch. Guide introduction to viral ebook marketing tools to create viral giveaway. Get to know about highly popular tools that can track your performance on Amazon keyword. Learn to how to create unique illustrated for your website for ebook extremely quick using Amazon graphic tools. discover new age book marketing tips and help to promote ebooks and make more sales. Get introduced to a powerful e-commerce platform to sell digital book in an online bookstore portal. This course in one on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. The next course is cryptocurrency course. Learn to make money from online worldwide. In this course, you will learn 5 strategies to finding the best cryptocurrency, our 3 most common pitfall, how to money with cryptocurrency, how I lost $15,000 day by ignoring my own strategy, and much more. This course in 3 hour on demand window, 3 articles, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and subscription commission. The next one is have the work quantity take of your quantity survey. In this course, you will learn have the quantity takeoff, MEP quantity survey, quantity surveying, AutoCAD estimation, MEP pre-contracts, tendering. This course in 42 minutes on demand video, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and subscription commission. The next course is AI in video creation 2021 edition. In this course, you will learn beatable, learn human fight, learn content samurai. This course in 1.5 hour on demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and subscription completion. The next course is the complete chess endgame course for beginner. In this course, you will learn basic of chess endgame, the power minor pieces and the king in endgame, how to lose and win position that seem to lost in endgames, holding into a draw and difficult endgame position. This course in 3.5 hour on demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and subscription completion. The next course is typing speed booster. This method make you type faster. In this course, you will learn method that will finish your typing far less time what to forget. A dramatical instinct in typing speed, a plan to reduce time, work time, simple practice that dramatically improve your speed, how to practice time and boost your progress. Easy way to know how to word it. This course in 1 hour on demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is value education and professional ethics. In this course, you will learn the wonderful course input in intent to help the student appreciate the essential complementary between values and skills that to ensure sustained happiness. This course in 2.5 hour on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is the complete leadership market mastery course. In this course, you will learn how to achieve growth in success through self-leadership and leading others. This course in 9 hour on demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is referral system, how to create a successful one. In this course, you will learn to grow a business with quality leads and clients, how to create a referral system that works, create a referral system with right information, increase your profit with minimum effort, how to grow your business quickly. This course in 32 minutes on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is writing grant application for non-profit organization. In this course, you will learn how to apply to grant with high success rate, what to avoid when you apply for funds, how to grant funding organization work, the reason application falls, that what you do about it. This course in 1 hour on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is making money from home, 45 work from home opportunity. In this course, you will see the 45 work from home opportunity, then different option to working from home, find out how much you can earn working, then see 45 companies that always hire you for work from home jobs, find out what tasks will you do when working from home. This course in 1 hour on demand video, 5 article, full lifetime access mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next was the rank and read local lead generation, the complete guide. In this course, you will learn a local lead generation, dive into the rank and read business model, and build scalable passive income. This course you file on demand video, 4 articles, 37 downloadable resources, full lifetime access mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is bookkeeping basic expert. In this course, you will learn debits and credit, preparing bank reconciliation, prepare balance sheet, prepare income statement, prepare trial balance, records, daily bookkeeping, journal entries, month end accrual journal entries, use QuickBook Online to record transactions. This course is 3 hour on demand video, 6 downloadable resources, 1 practice test, full lifetime access, mobile and TV assignment and certification completion. All the links of the course are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.